Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bibi token. BIBI is the name of the token and the ticker symbol for this token. This token is doing insanely well today. I saw it in the top gainer section about an hour ago on CoinMarketCap. They were up like 200%. Now they are up 342.59%. Doing extremely well. This is definitely meme season. All these meme coins are taking turns being in the top gainer section. And now it's Bibi's turn today. This is a bird. This is a bird meme token. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Bibi token, you can find listed on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, their official webpage, BSC.app. They're on the Binance Smart Chain. This is a BEP20 token. So on CoinMarketCap, you could also find their Block Explorer, their BSC scan. You can find their Twitter, BSC_BB, and their Telegram, BSC_BB. So their Telegram is doing very well. They have 4,477 members, 813 online. They have their contract address posted on their Telegram there, so you can check it out on there. Now, their Twitter, 22 tweets so far. Just starting their Twitter, basically. 3,262 followers. It says, the hottest decentralized zero-tax meme coin on the Binance Smart Chain. No taxes. It's that simple. And they have their contract address. And their pinned tweet says, 100% of the tokens were sent to the liquidity pool. LP tokens were burnt and contract renounced. It's a meme coin with no intrinsic value or expectation of financial return. There is no formal team or roadmap. The coin is completely useless and for entertainment purposes only. So be aware of that. This is thoroughly a meme coin with little to no security on here. So I would definitely take this token with a grain of salt. Thoroughly do your own research, right? You do not want to get scammed by tokens with no audit, no security, nothing, right? So be aware of that. Now, they're happy. They just had an announcement that they reached 10,000 holders. According to their BSC scan, right now they have 12,420 holders, which is a decent amount for a bird meme coin with no intrinsic value, right? 114,000 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a total supply here, that is a million, billion, trillion, 4.2 quadrillion tokens. So, besides that, they're posted about how they got listed on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. They're going over their goals on their page here. Dex Tools chart is available. And then they talk about how they just got a brand new listing on a central exchange. So there's a couple different ways to get this token. So it just got listed on Poloniex, Poloniex. You could look that up in the Google Play Store, Apple App Store. Download the Poloniex app. Get it on your PC. Open an account. Fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section. Search BIBI. And then simply just buy the token. So that's one way to get it. Another way to get it would be on Pancakeswap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. Going into the dApps, finding Pancakeswap, and then trading your BSC for the Bibi token using the contract address that you can find on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap or their webpage, socials. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address, and you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics. Actually, no, it said 0% tax, so slippage will probably just be at the default setting. And yeah, if you want to find more info, go to bbsc.app. It says the ultimate meme coin entertainment. Get ready to join the hottest decentralized zero-tax meme coin on the Binance Smart Chain. It's a completely useless and entertaining coin with no taxes, it says. So the useless meme coin. The useless meme coin has no taxes, no expectations. And it says read more. So if you want to read more, it takes you over to a different page. But it says the services we provide. So zero taxes seems to be their most outstanding service here, because they repeat it like 75 times. They have a newsletter you could join. Looks like they got some partners listed on here as well. Now, it says, if you're looking for a fun, entertaining investment opportunity and stumbled upon Bibi, the hottest decentralized zero-tax meme coin on BSC, it says, this was intrigued by the simplicity and honesty of... I was intrigued by the simplicity and honesty of the coin after doing some research. So this is a testimonial from somebody. Doing the research and seeing that 100% of the tokens were sent to the liquidity pool and contract was renounced. So they have all these links to all the things that they're talking about too. You could verify the contract, the BSC scans to make sure that contract was renounced, sent to the liquidity pool, all that type of stuff, right? So it says they decided to buy Bibi purely for entertainment purposes. After purchasing Bibi, I liked enjoying watching the coin's price fluctuate and participating in the community's memes and jokes. Although the coin has no intrinsic value, I found it to be a refreshing break from the seriousness and pressure of traditional investments. Overall, had a great experience with Bibi and would recommend it to anyone looking for a fun and lighthearted investment opportunity. And this is a user testimonial from Jessica Simon. So, no roadmap, no team, no taxes, no intrinsic value, and for entertainment purposes only. So, are you tired of a serious talk in the cryptocurrency world? Look no further than Bibi. And no roadmap. It's a breath of fresh air. So they just have all these testimonials here. But yeah, definitely a meme coin. Definitely no security on this token. So thoroughly do your own research. Investigate this token. You don't want to get rugged. It is up 340% right now in the top gainer section on CoinMarketCap. That's why I wanted to bring attention to this token. But yeah, do your own research. Leave a comment down there in the description box, or in the comment section, I mean. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.